Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to install the Sony Vegas Pro 13. So you need to follow my instruction to install that, and it's fully cracked and patched. So first of all you need to turn off your antivirus or Windows Defender. As I already so I am going to turn off my Windows Defender. Tools, option, now real time, and no, it's fully not off, so then it's off. So it's off. Now you have you you need to turn off your internet or disconnect your internet. So I'm going to disable that, and after this I install the Sony Vegas Pro 13. So follow the link in the description. I'm going to open that as I already downloaded that. So open the Sony Vegas Pro 13. So here is some files, setup file, another key and patch, follow us. So run as administrator. So press yes and select the language which you want to install. I am going to install it English. I have accept the agreements. Next I am going to create the desktop icon. Wait for the installation. Sorry about my English. Okay, it's fully installed. Now press the finish button and open the readme file. As do not launch first one, disable your internet connection. We did install Sony Vegas Pro. Do not launch the program after the installation. You don't need to run the program. And so first of all we have to open the keygen by running as administrator. Okay, let's follow my instructions. Just extract that. Yes, so open that by run as administrator. So wait for that. It's making so much noise. So you first of all you need to select the program. As I'm going to install the Sony Vegas 13. Here is 13 Pro 64-bit. So select that and press on patch. So select where you have installed that. So as we installed in C drive, program file 86, sorry, it's in program file now. Just here it is. Select Sony Vegas Pro 13, press OK. Again you need to select the directory, program file Sony Vegas 13, press OK, and now it's patching that software. So wait for that. It's done. So now press OK button and just close that window and just need to open the Sony Vegas 13, press next button and press yes. It needs some kind of serial, so select the serial from the page, copy that and just paste it over here, press next and enter the registered from another computer, so press next, just again next, same address like any would you like, so just press next and it will save the document of registration HTML, some file like HTML, so save that and after you delete the whatever you want that file. So on Sony Vegas 13 press next again, so copy that activation code from the patch region and just paste it over here, just press finish. Oh, again this error occurs. Now you are going to exit from that region, so press exit. I am going to don't send that error. Hope you guys like and enjoy my video, so please like and subscribe my channel.